Password Manager is a tool that helps the users to manage their passwords by storing or mapping their password to strong password. Password Manager has several benefits to the user from security and usability respective. From security, it helps the user to generate a strong and complex password. And it allows the user easily assign a unique and strong password to each online service. From usability, the user will not have to worry about remembering different passwords for different online services. The user will need to remember the master password that used to retrieve other passwords for different online services. There are two types of the Password Manager: store-based Password Manager and storeless Password Manager. Store-based, store encrypted vault of the user password online or locally, and for our study we will use LastPass. Storeless, derive password from user master password by applying a mathematical function. And for this type we will use Sphinx. LastPass, derive key from user master password. The master password is the password that use for the login to LastPass website. LastPass uses the key that derives from the user master password to encrypt user passwords, and store the encrypted password on LastPass Cloud. Also, this key used to retrieve the password from LastPass Cloud. For the password, user can generate his own password or use LastPass Password Generator. From LastPass Password Generator, the user can get a unique password with numbers, symbols, upper and lowercase letters. Also, it allows the user to control the complexity of the password that he wants to generate. Sphinx generates a key for the user, and this key is unique for each user. This key store on Sphinx Cloud. Sphinx map user password to strong password using this key. Let's see how Sphinx work. User enters his password, and Sphinx map user password to strong and complex password using the user password, key, and the service's domain name. So, if the user uses the same password with a different service, it will generate a different password. Sphinx allows the user to use a different password with different services, so the user does not have to use the same password across different services. Sphinx stores only the key on Sphinx Cloud, and from this key, it will assign a unique key for each online service for the user that used to generate a strong password. Sphinx does not store the user password or the randomized password that generate by Sphinx on Sphinx Cloud or Sphinx extension in the user machine.